Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. This is another amazing tutorial, guys, a nude lip tutorial. And guys, you can do this on any skin tone, so stay tuned and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's get right into it. So first, I'll be going in with my Becharm Ageless Lip palette, and I'll be lining the lips with this brown shade. This brown shade is really pretty, guys, and it goes on any skin tone. So I'll be lining the lips with that deep brown shade. You can use any deeper brown lip stain of your choice, but this is really good. So lining the lips, I'll be starting the liner application at the cupid's bow area or the center part of the upper lip, then tracing the top lip first, then continue to follow the natural lip line to the outer corner. So after lining the upper lip, I'll be repeating the same on the bottom lip. So basically, lining the lip is just to add volume or to give volume to the lip and define the lip shape really well. And the brush I'm using to line the lips is the Juliediamond round angled brush. The precision of this brush is so bomb and it's so good. It helps you to be able to sculpt the lips and line the lips really well. So making sure she smiles, I'll be filling the outer corner of the bottom lip and also the upper lip, then blending it out with my same brush. You can also go in with a round fluffy brush to help you to blend it in really well to avoid harsh lines and all of that. And this is what it looks like after blending. Next thing, I'll be going with the same Becharm palette, and I'll be using this nude shade as my lip base, then just putting it in the middle, using it as my lip base basically. Then make sure I use my brush to blend it out, then tell her to smack her lips to blend it out further. For it to give that nude shape, I'll be going in with this Nuban concealer in the shade 046 and just be applying it a little on the nude I applied earlier, then just blend it out really well and make sure that she smacks her lips so it can be well blended all round. Then I'll be going in with my brush again to blend out the upper part of the lip and the lower parts of the lip really well. You can use a fluffy brush to do this, whichever way works for you. I'll be going in with this Liplock. Yes, the Adventure Liplock in the shade Nude is a very pretty nude shade. So I'll just be putting this on the nude I applied earlier, then just blend it out. So a very good tip to achieving a smooth, flawless lip finish is making sure that you blend the lips out so well so that it won't crack and it won't start breaking. That's basically it. Then I'll be going over with a lip gloss to top it up and finish it up, guys. This lip gloss does a lot of, gives me so much energy, I don't know. So I'll just be putting this lip gloss on it. I got this lip gloss from the Glossy Lab on Instagram. You can check up their page. So one thing I do when applying my lip gloss is that I make sure I apply the lip gloss in the middle first, which is where I applied my lip base. Where my lip base is, which is the middle, you want to apply your gloss there first before going to the outer part of the lip, then the upper part of the lip, then smacking it really well. Blending it so well will help give a smooth finish, guys. Honestly, trust me. So guys, this is the finished look, and I would like you guys to try this out because you can do this on any skin tone. Dark skin, brown skin, light skin, you can do it on any skin tone and it will come out so pretty. Let me know what you think of this lip tutorial and if you find it really helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment on my video. Thank you so much again for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.